welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can subscribe to CapCut Pro on your PC desktop app. Why did I say PC desktop app? On your PC. So it's pretty simple. You have to log in first though. And as you can see, there's going to be a Join Pro section over here. You're just going to select Join Pro. And this will pop up, so you can choose monthly per 1 month. This is yearly and this is per 1 month. Then you're going to select whichever one you want. For instance, this one. Select purchase. And you're going to basically select your payment method. For instance, this. Then you're going to select link account, or you're going to type in these informations. Then you'll be able to subscribe to CapCut Pro. That is it. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.